This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
A little bit is, so they, I don't know who they are. I think it's a company called Decode in Iceland.
Okay.
And they sometimes...
Oh shit!
DNA. Wait.
I was not paying any attention. Totally saw that happening. I was just like, what, dude, you're driving.
Oh my god.
Oh my fucking wow. Oh my god. I got that on video. Yeah, oh my god. Holy oh my god. Oh my god, wow. That is crazy. Wait, is your GoPro on? I thought I heard it bang. Yep, it's rolling. Oh god, that was loud. Wait, hold on, nothing. Let me double check it. Is it rolling? Yep, okay, it is. I'm just double checking. Oh my god, damn. Oh.
Manual recording will now start.
It's like spray. When I sprayed, it only got on the steel, and that's it. Like my whole steel is dry. My whole boot is soaked. Fuck. But my steels are dry. It's where. Holy guy! Nice maneuver, buddy. Holy.
We've got a bumper crop of deals at Morrison's this Christmas. Like a British beef joint from our butchers, only $5.99 per kilo. Available in-store and online now. Mobility, vacuum packed.
You on there, mate?
The wait is finally over.
You on there?
What the f is wrong with you? What the f is wrong with you?
was the first time that it was no surprise. I knew what I
was doing when I screwed around with the Pillars of Divinity. I knew that if I overreached the limits of the rules that Amaranth ran on, I would be spanked for it. But I did it anyway. Pain didn't begin to describe what I was feeling when I saw the red-tinted light at the end of the tunnel. It was bright enough now for the Vergar to haul me